الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين محمد وآله وأصحابه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن هذا القرآن يهدي للتي هي أقوم ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا كبيرا. Honorable Chairperson, respected teachers and dear friends, السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today I'm honored to speak about one of the greatest gifts bestowed upon humanity. That is the Holy Quran. It's a divine revelation, a source of guidance, and a living miracles that continues to inspire and guide billions around the world. Dear friends, the Holy Quran is not just a book. It's a miracle that transcends time and space. It was revealed over 1400 years ago, and it remains as relevant today as it was then. Its verses resonate with profound wisdom and timeless truth. Brothers in Islam, one of the most striking miracles of the Holy Quran is its linguistic excellence. The Arabic of the Holy Quran is unparalleled in its eloquence and literary beauty. Even the most skilled poets and linguistic excellence of the time were left in awe. The Holy Quran challenges humanity with فَأْتُوا بِسُورَةٍ مِّن مِثْلِهِ وَادْعُوا شُهَدَاءَكُم مِّن دُونِ اللَّهِ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. If you are in doubt about what we have revealed, then produce a chapter like it. To this day, no one has met this challenge. Dear friends, the Holy Quran contains numerous scientific insights that were not known to humanity at the time of its revelation. For instance, it described the development of the human embryo with remarkable accuracy. ثم خلقنا النطفة علقة فخلقنا العلقة مضغة فخلقنا المضغة عظاما فكسونا العظام لحما ثم أنشأناه خلقا آخر فتبارك الله أحسن الخالقين. Then he made the sperm drop into a clinging clot, and we made the clot into a lump, and we made the lump bones, and we covered the bones with flesh. Then we developed him into another creation. So blessed is Allah, the best of creators. It speaks of the expansion of the universe. وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ. And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expander. And the protective layer of the atmosphere, وَجَعَلْنَا السَّمَاءَ سَقْفًا مَحْفُوظًا وَهُمْ عَنْ آيَاتِهَا مُعْرِضُونَ. And made the sky a protected ceiling, but they from its signs are turning away. These revelations align with modern scientific discoveries, showcasing the Quran's divine origin. Brothers in Islam, beyond its scientific insights, the Quran offers comprehensive guidance for all aspects of life. It teaches us about morality, justice, compassion, and the importance of seeking knowledge. It addresses social issues, personal conduct, and the principles of governance. The Quran's teachings promote peace, harmony, and the betterment of society. Dear friends, the Holy Quran encourages deep reflection and contemplation. It asks us to ponder over the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the alternation of the day and night, and the intricate design of the universe. As it states, إِنَّ فِي خَلْقِ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَاخْتِلَافِ اللَّيْلِ وَالنَّهَارِ لَآيَاتٍ لِأُولِي الْأَلْبَابِ. In the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the alternation of the day and night are signs for those of understanding. Dear friends, The Holy Quran is also a source of spiritual healing and solace. Its verses bring comfort to the distressed, hope to the despondent, and strength to the weak. The recitation of the Holy Quran has a profound impact on the heart and soul, it providing inner peace and tranquility. Unlike other scriptures that have been altered over time, the Holy Quran has remained unchanged since its revelation. It is preserved in its original form, word for word, letter for letter. This preservation itself is a miracle. Dear friends, the Holy Quran is a living miracle, a testament to the divine wisdom and mercy of Allah. It is a book of guidance, knowledge, and inspiration. As we reflect on its miracles, let us strive to live by its teachings, seek its wisdom, and spread its message of peace and compassion. May Allah give us tawfiq to follow the teachings of the Holy Quran. Here I conclude my speech, thanking you all for listening to me passionately. فَجَزَاكُمُ اللَّهُ